Carbotec India Private Limited. My name is Mustafa. I'm the managing director of this company. Actually, our company deals with solid carbide inserts and solid carbide end mills and tool holders. Regarding HIMTEX, we are participating for the first time, and we are very much satisfied with all the arrangements here. Everything is very well properly arranged, and the response also what we have got is very good. Compared to other exhibitions which we have participated, I think this exhibition is one of the best exhibitions I have seen in terms of the response and in terms of the management. The arrangement is very well maintained. We got quality calls from all the, from our perspective, we have got good customers, and we hope that next year definitely we will participate again.